Our PTAC louvers, when combined with our RAM S900 casement, S990 awning, or S840 heavy picture window, is ideal for hotel installations. Our frame features precision-cut mitered corners, polyurethane thermal barriers, wide-styled profiles, a snapping glazing stop with no exposed screw heads, and a 1-inch integral nail fin or finless as required. The louver incorporates a number of unique features, including mitered corners, a 3-inch inside frame height sized for standard PTAC base units and granite sills, an internal mullion, and heavy-duty louver blades and blanco panels that can easily be removed for maintenance. We feature energy-efficient 1-inch OA insulated glass units, inside glazed, with multiple low-E tint options. We have 6 popular painted and anodized frame colors. Custom colors available upon request. To learn more, make an appointment to visit our RAM window and door showroom today.